Hi, I'm Catherine, one of the research interns for DeepTutor, and I want to share with you the new image upload feature. Users can now upload images directly to DeepTutor in both Ask and Agent mode. As you can see here, I have a screenshot of some of the figures in this research paper in PNG form. I can just copy it directly into the query box. I've asked DeepTutor to help break down what the figures are representing. As you can see, DeepTutor is capable of understanding and processing the information in this image. Just like you might see for a question in plain text, DeepTutor can cite information from your library to support the responses. You can see the relevant information is highlighted. The main draw of this feature is a more expansive capacity to get a detailed evaluation of complicated material and ask for clarifications, with more mediums that DeepTutor can work with. I hope you get the chance to test out this new feature. We're always happy to hear feedback. Happy testing, and we hope that this helps improve your DeepTutor workflow.